Gael Montaño, Vincent Conana not here, J.M. Bravo. Those are big guys that are a part of the main rotation of Coach Gilbert Palaban.
Yes, Kenneth Umba, nung last 3 minutes nung final quarter, basically yung paint, wala. As I said earlier, 7 minutes nung final quarter, hindi sila nakascore. Pero John Barba finally getting a basket for them as...
Yes, John Barba, who struggled at the start of that last game against Guangming, 17-0 start para sa Guangming in that start. And nice pass there. Nice find by Umba Tulibago. Chance sa mga paglaro for the last year because of the likes again of Sean O'Malley and Jerolan Omandak. But, nice basket there mula kay Jalen Garcia. And here comes the Titans. Garcia high in the sky. Play. Kenneth Umba snap it home. The hands de los Reyes. How? DJ nice. Nice drive to the lane here. And DJ Howe, you can see him. He's rebounded here by Kaduyak. Fast break. Here comes Red Villegas, and basket was a foul for Red Villegas.
And there it is again. Lyceum getting defensive spot. Unfazed is Villegas.
Yes, and now that's a three-pointer there by Kenneth Umba. So bawian dito ng scoring dito.
Overs, and at the same time getting a lot of inside points as they have 13 out of 17 points from the line.
Defended well here by Joey Panganiban. Ken Kaduyak scored 6 points in that opening half. Dagdagan mo pa ng 3 yan. Ken Kaduyak, 9 points now for him.
Yes, instant.
Barba to Moraleo. Moraleo the pass. Extra pass. No good, pero nice tip by J.M. Bersosa. And you do have J.M. Bersosa. It was up to a 10-point lead, the biggest. Now it's 5-0 run. Barba for 3. That's his calling card.
And ayan na naman, same story. Pag
players yung kanilang family, di ba? The basket there by Paul Malano.
Yes, and same story for Enderon, just keeping it close and hoping to keep it close until the very end. But
Jordan Lopez, magic bunot. Malano. Hans de los Reyes. Moving inside, Hans. The shot by Hans is good. As McLeod Guadagna. A big three-pointer by McLeod. Pilipinas. And malapit na ang ating Pinoy Liga Women's Cup dito. As Jalen Garcia scores. And how excited will you be? Babaihan dito sa ating bansa. UAAP and other leagues itself are the ones as John Barba. That will close things out here for last. As we are about to end this ball game as our final score. It is
around 5 points, and Enderon always